Empire Crypto TV, Empire Finance, welcome to the show. Please be sure to subscribe, please click that like button, and please do share. Yes, on my screen right now, looking at Solana, one of the most best performing projects on the top 10. Some would say it is the rival to Ethereum, and Ethereum is a rival to Bitcoin. But for me, the rival to Ethereum, also BNB, Binance, is a very, very good coin. But we are looking at Solana. Though it may be going down, as you can see that sharp drop that we have experiencing. That's because of that empty GOX situation that has been happening. Empty GOX has started issuing up its coins to its clients that have lost money back in 2014 scam. And the market has been shaking pretty much on the negative side, as you can see right here. Bitcoin, Solana, has fallen. I think it was on the 25th of June, which is today, and dropping down to a levels of $167 per coin, but it is anticipated to go back to $200 per coin. That's the analysis that we'll be doing. So I want to also look through the crypto market space as a whole first, and then we're going to analyze why I believe that Solana is about to explode. Solana has been performing quite well in 2024. Believe you me, is that I've made some money on Solana, and at the same time I've lost money. But it is that volatility, and the volatility is always the friend of the market, which is a very good thing to have volatility. And we're going to look at some volatile news on a 1 hour space, looking at the crypto bubbles. These are the crypto bubbles. The first time I initiated them here on the show. I hope you like them. I saw a lot of cryptocurrency or crypto channels, YouTube channels that have been utilizing this, but I'm also have incorporated myself into it. But the market looks quite mixed on an hourly basis. Bobcat doing very well. This is a powerful meme coin that's been doing very well. Also Pepe coin, HTX up by 1%, Dodge 0.6%. And this is how the landscape of cryptocurrency has been looking like. The biggest loser with this which is PYTH on minus negative 2.5%. And looking at the daily, okay, it also has time frames right here, as you can see, which is quite interesting, which is something that I like. But on the daily, as you can see, things are quite red in the crypto space. Once again, it has to do with that situation, man. With the empty GOX, crypto investors are nervous, and they think that all these investors are going to sell the cryptos. Maybe they are selling, and they believe that ETFs might absorb the sales, but it looks like the panic is sort of rather more imminent than it was anticipated. Now, also on the weekly, this is how it looks like. Yeah, things have been quite bad in the market. Red on the weeks. Coins like Solana right here have been doing well. XRP have been doing well with the SEC case ongoing. Check out my previous video that I've launched the previous just a few days back. HTN performing well with 9.2% is WIF. Dogecoin 3.3%. And these are some of the few coins that are doing well on the market weekly. And the biggest losers on the weekly is LDO, negative 21.5%. Let us look at the monthly time frame. Bobcat has been a very, very good performer on a monthly basis, 133%, which is a very, very, very huge number on a monthly basis. And I do believe investors on this meme coin have quite gotten a handful of profits. Let's look at the yearly basis. The entire crypto land space on a yearly basis have been quite good. Now there are older coins like Litecoin that are legendary. The old blockchains like Litecoin used to be in the top 10, but things have gone astray for those projects. Matic, there are few projects that are losing on a yearly basis, I must say, but on a yearly basis, Inju has been performing. I remember this coin was quite a huge pusher. And like we are looking at Solana 632% for this year, and Pepe 780% of growth for this entire on a yearly basis. So those are the crypto bubbles. I like crypto bubbles because they just show you everything rather than going from chart to chart when you are using TradingView. So when I use TradingView, I'm just going to focus on one single project at a time. But here I'm seeing the entire landscape of the project and how they are doing at the same time. Let's jump into it, looking at Solana's performance. Though it might be going down right now, but there are news that are sort of putting Solana on a high level anticipation. Solana could cross $200 if these three conditions are met. Currently, Solana is trading at 169.64 per coin. So looks like 200 is a long way through. Okay, I can show you one weekly chart. Solana has crossed the 200 level. Okay, here it is. Okay, Solana has crossed the 200 level. Okay, that's right there. As you can see, it has come up recently, but it is at 211 now recently. But way before, like in 2021, it went as high as $260 per coin. So Solana has been there on the highlight, but now that's because the entire cryptocurrency landscape was going wild. It can even surpass this level, but for now it is anticipated to reach 200 levels. Let's read on the article. Solana's total value locked in climbs 18% in July to 5.38 billion as seen on DeFi Llama. Solana sustains over 20% gains in the past 7 days, corrects nearly 3% on Monday. Active addresses and new address count in the Solana network have increased throughout July. Now, this is extremely important. As we all know, across the crypto land space, we've been hearing news that miners, you can check that on yourself, that they have been struggling, especially on the Bitcoin side. They have been struggling. But here, miners look to be prominent when it comes to projects such as Solana. Solana corrects lower at around $180 and holds its rally towards the psychologically important $200, as I shown you earlier on the chart. Level early on Monday, the Ethereum competitor has noted a consistent increase in the number of active and new addresses in its network throughout July. Solana's today, I'm reading over here, Solana's total value of assets locked, TVL, total value locked, has climbed to 5.38 billion in July per DeFi Llama data, as the chain continues to gain relevance and see demand among crypto traders. A higher TVL is positive for the token because it implies that a larger value of cryptocurrencies is locked in the chain, implying higher trust among traders. So this sentiment, for me, it also adds to the power that Solana blockchain brings. Solana could extend gains if these conditions are met. Active addresses and new addresses, mind you, this article came maybe 2 days ago. Address count, active and new, is a key on-chain metric to determine whether an asset is relevant among traders and there is demand for the crypto. Data from Hello Moon shows a climb in the 2 matrix in July, and this supports a bullish thesis for Solana. Bullish thesis that I also look forward to see number of active addresses on Solana network. This is the chart that looks like on July went even as high as 1.82 million active addresses as of July. This is quite staggering. This is a sign that we might be seeing a greater movement within the Solana. So this is the latest news on Solana. So active addresses are increasing. That is a significant sign. Let us look at these statistics rather on CoinMarketCap. Market volume currently is down by 3.96%, but still 78 billion market cap, and volume is at 33.13% high, which has 3 billion volume right there. So it's at number 6 when it comes to volume, and it's at number 5. Top 10 token that has been doing it. Obviously, it does fluctuate, it does go up and down, and we're gonna continue seeing things happening within this project. This project is a very powerful project. I'm looking forward to see what it's going to do at the end of the year. A lot of predictions have been made, but let's see what happens. Right now, hourly, crypto as a whole looks mixed, and we're going to continue seeing what's going to happen with this project. Though it might be down for now, let's see what happens next. Please be sure to subscribe. Please click that like button, and please do share Empire Crypto TV. Also check out the links on our description section. Thank you very much. Until next time.